Hey drone nerds, Matt here. This is the Inspired Flight IF800 Tomcat. It's a medium lift drone capable of hosting many payloads for different use cases. And in this video, we're going to do an overview of the IF800 Tomcat. The IF800 by Inspired Flight is the medium lift version of its big brother, the IF1200. It is blue listed as well as NDAA compliant, and the drones are built right in California. Now this drone utilizes the Hearling Blue remote controller, and it's utilized for high-resolution aerial photogrammetry, surveying, search and rescue, as well as infrastructure inspection. The IF800 Tomcat maximizes operational efficiency and productivity. Featuring a max flight time of up to 54 minutes, the ability to carry a max payload of 6.6 pounds, and max wind resistance of 26.4 miles per hour, the IF800 features a max flight speed of up to 49 miles per hour. The operational temperature for the IF800 is from -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The IF800 Tomcat features a variety of pre-integrated payloads for defense, mapping, utility inspection, and public safety, with a 35.6-inch diagonal size, propeller center to center, and an unloaded weight without batteries of 9.2 pounds. There are 6 flight modes that are pre-programmed into the IF800 Tomcat. Position hold, holds altitude and position; loiter, holds altitude and position utilizing GPS; auto, that executes a predefined waypoint mission; RTL, that auto returns to takeoff location and then lands; land, which auto lands while maintaining a horizontal position; and altitude hold, that holds altitude and it's the fail-safe for if the GPS signal is ever lost. Overall, the IF800 Tomcat by Inspired Flight is a great Blue and NDAA solution for a variety of industries. If you have any questions about the IF800 Tomcat, go ahead and put those in the comments. Also, feel free to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot with the YouTube algorithms, and liking the video helps us out even more. If you're already a subscriber and you want to see our latest content right when it drops, click the notification bell. My name is Matt. Happy flying.